We're live. What's up, y'all? My name's Braden. I'm here today to show you something that I built I'm pretty proud of. For those of you who don't know who I am, I run a AI automation agency as well as a website design agency. Recently, I've combined those two companies and I've been using AI to develop websites not only for myself and my business, but also for my clients. So I've built a AI website generator, okay? Meaning is you can type in whatever your idea is, whatever your business is, whether you have an existing business or you're thinking of starting a new business from scratch and you just kind of don't have the idea in mind of how you want your website to look, or you have the idea in mind and you really just don't have the time or the know-how and the knowledge or the skills to take to build a website. And honestly, we all like to save time. Let's put it like that. The main reason why I use AI in everything that I do is to save time. That's my main focus. I don't like to waste time. And website design is important, especially if you have an online business such as an e-commerce store or anything that requires some type of online traffic. You need to get that up live and running as fast as possible so you can start making money as fast as possible. So anyway, let me stop rambling and let me show you guys what I've made, right? So make sure my screen's recording. Basically what I built here is an AI website builder, okay? All right, this is just a rough draft. This is not the final version. I will be releasing the final version to the public probably by the time I upload this video, if not very soon after, okay? But basically, people will be able to come onto this platform and they'll be able to put in what their website should look like or describe their type of business, and AI will generate the website in about 90 seconds or less. And these are pretty good websites, by the way. This is not, amateur looking websites. Like, these are websites that are professional enough that you can go live with immediately, okay? So I'll direct your attention to my screen and maybe I'll just talk you through it as I go. We could add some intros and all that later. But basically, this is my AI website builder, okay? So let me come over here. So this is what you do, right? Boom. Like I said, this is a rough draft landing page. This is not the final product. It will be a little bit prettier than this once I'm complete, but this is the bare minimum. So what I've set up this page, right? This is one. I set up this page right here, okay? This is the form where you're going to put in all your information that you want from your website, right? And I've also set up a scenario in make.com. Now, I don't know how many of you guys are familiar with make.com, but basically that's a whole nother video to get into, okay? But make.com is essential if you're trying to set up any type of automation, okay? Think of, if you're familiar with Zapier, make.com, something like that. But anyway, we'll get to that. But basically how this works is that web form that I just showed you guys on my landing page, this one right here, is connected to a webhook, right? The webhook is embedded inside make.com. When I put the information into the form, it's gonna send the information to this webhook. That webhook is gonna also forward the information to these little modules I've created. These are HTTP modules. And once again, that's a whole nother video to get into what that is. But for now, I just wanna show you what I've set up. But this is the basic flow. We're gonna input the information into the form. It's gonna get sent to the webhook. It's gonna go from the webhook to this next module, which is generate a random subdomain. It's gonna create a blank website. And this is gonna be a WordPress website, by the way. It's gonna create a blank WordPress website. Next, it's going to add some AI content based off of whatever our prompt is or whatever we use to describe our business. After that, it's going to create a auto login token so you can log into your WordPress backend and you can further edit your site to fit your needs, right? So not only does it create the website for you, it gives you the option later on to go back and tweak it and fix it and make it how you want it to be, but it saves you so much time. But let's put it like this. Websites used to take a very long time, right? Especially if you don't have any coding specialties or any coding knowledge or any experience as far as website designs. It could take you, an average person, weeks to build a website. Before I started using AI, my fastest website builds were about 48 to 72 hours, right? To put that in perspective, today alone, using this website generator that I just built, I've generated 5 websites today alone, and the day's not even over with. I did those 5 websites within an hour. Like I said, this thing will generate us a brand new, never before made, live online. You can log into the internet and go see this website live when I'm done, and it will do it within 90 seconds or less. So let me go ahead and show you how that actually works in action, right? So let's come over here. Boom. Honestly, before I made this video, I was trying to think of some ideas of what I should make this demo about. I have no idea, so I'm just gonna kind of make this up as I go. All right, so let's just name the site, right? Let's just say a new YouTuber, right? New YouTuber. That's what I am. Okay. What do you want your site to be about? A young man named Braden who is trying to grow a brand new YouTube channel about AI automation, right? This website is meant to showcase, I'm just making this up as I go, his amazing YouTube video creating skills, right? That's the description of the website. Don't worry about this data center things. I could explain that in another video. You can put whatever your desired domain is. Let's just say Braden.com. Add these. So these admin emails, this is just basically where I'm gonna send my website to once it's created, and also use this to log into the back end of my WordPress. I got to remember to blur this password out when I'm done and this email out, but we'll get to that next. All right, so boom, there we go. We got the information here. Now, before I do that, before I click create, I'm gonna go over here to this scenario, right? Now, this scenario is where all the action is gonna happen, right? So let me go ahead and just refresh this one time, make sure we ain't got no issues. First of all, let's save. Always save your scenarios. One of these days, I'm gonna have a whole long video going over how to use make.com. All right, boom. So like I said, boom, let's go ahead, zoom in here. All right, go into the scenario. I'm gonna go ahead and run this webhook. So right now the webhook's waiting for me to submit my information. Now, we can check the time. It's 8:28 p.m., just turned 8:28 p.m. Houston time. Let me show you this, boom. Let's create, let's go back over here to my scenario. Bam, it's got the information. Bam, this is already green. Let me show you. It's thinking, boom. Next, it's on to this one. Now, what it's doing right now is creating the blank website. It's gonna take some patience, so we're just gonna sit here and watch it. You have no idea how much time this saves me. Time is money, all right? Especially when it comes to online businesses, because everybody's business is an online business now, right? I don't care if you're a plumbing company. I don't care if you're a digital marketer, a blogger. You need a website. You need the internet. You need online platforms. Yes, there is social media, but if your social media ever gets banned, all your followers are gone. Where are they going to go to? How are they going to find you? How are they going to interact with you? If they can't interact with you, how are they going to buy from you, spend money with you, support you? How are you going to get attention, right? Your online presence is everything, and you can control this. Anyway, we're on the next step. Boom. It's already completed a blank website. Boom. Now it's generating the AI content for the website. Okay. Boom. It's thinking. It's thinking. All right. It's almost done. So what I said, we started at 8:28. It is now 8:30 p.m. So we're 2 minutes in. Not sure how much longer this is going to take, but I don't think it's going to be that much longer. Okay. Boom. All right. Should be sending me the email. All right. Let's check my email, see if it sent me my website. Bam. Here's the email right here. All right. We're going to go ahead. It says here, hi there. Hi there, your site is up and running at, here's my domain. To finish editing your website, some typo, I need to fix that. Click the link below, log straight into your WordPress dashboard, no password required. Cool, let's go check out this website. I'm gonna click this link and it should take me to my website. Ta-da! Boom. Now, I could have been a little bit more specific, a little bit more detailed, probably got a better output, but this is not bad. Boom. New YouTuber. That's the name of the channel. Oh, my bad. What time is it? It's 8:31 p.m. We started at 8:28, and it just finished up maybe 30, 45 seconds ago. So here we go. Less than 90 seconds, brand new website. Let's scroll through here. Nice little opening. Unlock AI automation with Braden. Welcome to Braden's YouTube channel, where we explore the exciting world of AI automation. Learn how to streamline your tasks and boost your productivity with our easy to follow tutorials. Check me out. All right, you can contact me. It tells me where you can view my channel. Remember, you guys just watched the prompt I gave this, and it made all this in less than 90 seconds. Let's just go ahead and keep scrolling through here. Look at some more ad copy. Some more copy. All right. Boom. I don't know who that guy is, but I've been in that position many times. Oh, look at that. You got some good little AI edits. What? Mind you, this website did not exist 3 minutes ago. Just keep it real, okay? This is pretty good, honestly. And of course, I can get more detailed. There's plenty more templates when I do release the final version of this app or this web platform. And you'll be able to customize the templates a whole lot more. But honestly, this isn't bad. This is not bad for the little bit of information that I gave it, right? I'm actually slightly impressed. Boom. All right, it's still going, right? And if you notice, right, there's a navigation bar up here. There's more pages. This is only one page, right? And we can go through it. See what we're looking like. Got me an About Me page. Discover Braden's inspiration behind AI automation. It's too easy. Too easy. All this from one prompt, right? Let's check this page out. Video creation process. Man, it's pretty dope. All right. We got some featured videos. Yeah, like I said, if I wanted to come in here and customize, it's not a bad website. Honestly, this website's good enough that if I just needed somewhere to send traffic to, I could send traffic to this website right now. Like, this website is ready to go. It's got a contact page. I just need to input my proper information and voila. So there's no more excuses of all you guys talking about, I need a website, I'm looking at this, I'm thinking about doing this, I went and got a Wix account and I'm gonna go ahead and start editing my website. Bro, you guys are overthinking it, right? This is what AI is for, okay? You guys need to use it. And this is just one use case. I got a whole channel, you'll see in a few years how much I use AI. But this right here is one of the biggest time savers I've ever had. So I'm going to be releasing this to the public soon. I will have more information of how you can access this platform. It's pretty cheap, a lot cheaper than GoDaddy, Shopify, Wix, things like that, but just as good. Anyway, that's the video. If you guys like what you saw here, if you would like to see more stuff like this, or if you guys would like to learn how to set up the make.com scenario I created to build this, I will. I'll leave some links at the bottom of this video so you can get in contact with me if you're interested in finding out how to build this make.com scenario for yourself, or if you would like me to build it for you, okay? You guys see my website here. I'm trying to be a big YouTuber sometime soon. So if this video was any help to you, please like, subscribe, and leave me a comment, maybe a thumbs up or something below so YouTube knows that you like it. And I'll keep kicking out more videos like this every week. But thanks for watching. And like I said, please like, comment, subscribe, send me a thumbs up in that comment section, okay? I'll see you guys next time.